Birdwatching linked to enhanced brain health and cognitive resilience. A new study suggests that engaging in birdwatching may protect against age-related cognitive decline by strengthening key brain regions. Researchers in Canada found that experienced birdwatchers exhibit denser and more complex brain structures in areas linked to attention and perception compared to those new to the hobby. This finding reinforces the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Brain structure and expertise. The research involved MRI scans of 29 experienced birdwatchers and 29 novices, carefully matched for age and education. Participants were asked to identify birds during the scans, allowing researchers to measure brain complexity via a metric called mean diffusivity. The results showed that expert birdwatchers had lower mean diffusivity in regions associated with bird identification. Essentially, these areas of their brains showed improved structural organization. This isn't just about skill. It suggests that the consistent mental exercise involved in birdwatching can reshape the brain over time. When presented with unfamiliar birds, the brain regions tuned through years of practice lit up, demonstrating focused engagement, slowing cognitive decline. Interestingly, the study also hinted at a slowing of natural age-related brain tissue degradation among experienced birdwatchers. As we age, brain complexity typically decreases, but the rate appeared slower in those who actively engaged in birdwatching. This suggests that consistent, focused mental activity may mitigate some of the inevitable decline in cognitive function. Why birdwatching matters. Birdwatching is uniquely suited to this kind of research because it demands high attention levels and the ability to extract key details from complex visual information. The hobby forces the brain to stay sharp, constantly scanning for patterns and reacting quickly to potential sightings. This constant engagement may be the key to its neuroprotective effects. Caveats and future research. The study doesn't prove direct causation. It's possible that individuals with naturally sharper brains were simply more inclined to take up birdwatching in the first place. However, the findings align with previous research, demonstrating that learning instruments or new languages can similarly benefit brain structure and resilience. Future studies will need to track participants over time to confirm whether birdwatching truly slows cognitive decline. Researchers also plan to explore whether the brain optimizations observed in birdwatchers can be applied to other cognitive tasks. Ultimately, this study adds to a growing body of evidence that actively engaging the brain through hobbies, learning, or other focused activities can help maintain cognitive health well into old age.